Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you're here today. Today's video is an after dark clean with me. It's about 7:30. I've been out all day cleaning other people's houses, and mine is, it's a mess. Some rooms are messier than others. Like the guest room is not that messy, it just needs the bed made up. And then my office needs a little TLC, but my kitchen is pretty messy. So we'll be hitting that, and then the living room, and then I needed to scrub my tub and give it a little love because it was looking pretty rank. So I hope that you enjoy this video and get some much needed motivation to get up and get some things done that you've been wanting to check off your list. So let's get started. In case you're wondering what I'm using in the shower, it is LA's Totally Awesome shower cleaner, and then I'm using a soap scum remover sponge in there. I don't know if y'all have ever used these before, but they are amazing. One side is blue and the other side is a magic eraser. Magic eraser gets soap scum off of tubs like nobody's business. I know that y'all seen me use my scrubber brush that's electric in there, and that does a good job too. However, I did not have it charged, so that's why I'm using that. But I love using magic erasers in showers. Like, it just wipes off like one swipe. So if you haven't tried that out, make sure that you try it out. It works really, really well. And I get mine at the Dollartree. Here I'm using the Sprayway glass cleaner, which is my all-time go-to. It's one of my favorite products. It's amazing. If you haven't tried it, please do yourself a favor and try it. And then on the countertops, I'm using LA's Totally Awesome Multi-Surface Cleaner in the Cherry scent from Dollartree. I really like this stuff. It works very well. Our kids and grandkids were here for the weekend, so that's why the guest bed is not made. It wasn't messy in there. I just needed to make the bed, and normally I wash the sheets after we have guests. However, it was like late, and I thought, well, I'll just make up the bed instead of worrying about washing the sheets tonight, and that way the room feels clean. And of course, I'll wash those sheets before we have company again, or you know, at the next opportunity I have. But I just need to go in there and like make the bed and dust, you know, just run a little duster over there and vacuum and just make it feel fresh again. To the kitchen, y'all. I was so tired. I'm like, oh, I really was like trying to like power through and talk myself into go ahead and doing it, because I kept trying to tell myself, oh, well, I can do this in the morning before I leave, you know, that kind of thing. I'll just go lay down and I'll get up super early in the morning. I'm so glad I powered through and got it done. It felt so good the next morning to get up to a fresh and clean home and just not have to worry about it. And then that evening when I came home, it was still clean because nobody had been home all day, so that was awesome. But I was getting very tired. I had not sat down except to eat some supper that evening, so it would have been very easy for me to just like sit down and not get back up, but I powered through. If you're still here watching my video, thank you so much for staying and hanging out, and thank you for your support. If you're not subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. It's free. Just hit that red subscribe button and help me grow, help a girl out. So make sure that you do that. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here, and I hope that you decide to hit that red button and hang out and stay and continue to come back. product. I don't think it's new, but I saw it on TikTok, and so I wanted to try it out, and I found some at the Dollartree. I was there, but I did see that they have some at Walmart. It's a much better deal at Walmart, by the way, so just keep that in mind. But it's Fabuloso antibacterial, and the scent is so good. It's like a lemony, fresh citrus top scent. It smells so good. So I made some hot water with it and wiped all my counters down with it, and then I was mopping with it too. So if you get a chance to try that out, make sure that you do. Wasn't that dirty, so it didn't take me very long to power through it. It just needed to be fluffed. The couch needed to be fluffed and the pillows, and then vacuumed. And then since I had the mop out, I thought, well, I'll just go ahead and mop this real quick. I mean, why not? I'm already mopping other rooms, so I might as well just go ahead and hit it too. But that Fabuloso stuff made the house smell so good, y'all. We are finally winding this video down, y'all. Thank y'all so much for riding on the struggle bus with me through the house to clean it and get it done this evening. Like I said, it was super rewarding the next morning, but I was so tired, and at this time I was like so done. I was just ready to be done. But thank y'all so much for hanging out, and make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button. And my next video will be my cooking video. I told you I was going to alternate, so the next one will be cooking, and we're going camping, so it'll be probably camp food. I've got some things together that I'm excited to share with y'all, so I hope that you will come back and watch that video. So I'm going to end it here. I will see y'all next time. Bye.